Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane with a review of the Super Pocket handheld gaming console from Hyper Mega Tech. Let's jump right in. Now, at first glance, you might mistake the Super Pocket for just another cheap retro gaming knockoff.
But trust me, there's something special about this little device.
Let's break it down. First off, let's talk design. The Super Pocket comes in two different color schemes, each representing a different set of classic games.
But regardless of the color, the device itself is well built and feels sturdy in the hand. It's a bit chunkier than the Game Boy Pocket, but not as bulky as the original Game Boy. The buttons are satisfying to press, and there are handy ports for charging and connecting headphones.
Plus, the inclusion of a volume rocker on the back makes it easy to adjust the sound on the fly. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the games. The Super Pocket comes loaded with a selection of classic titles from Taito and Capcom, including gems like Street Fighter II and Mega Man. But the real magic happens when you dive into the Evercade cartridge library. With support for Evercade cartridges, you have access to over 500 additional games, ranging from arcade classics to hidden gems. And let me tell you, the nostalgia factor is off the charts. Performance-wise, the Super Pocket holds up surprisingly well.
The processor keeps everything running smoothly, with no noticeable lag or stuttering, even on the toughest retro titles.
Plus, features like save states and difficulty settings make the games more accessible than ever before.
The 2.8-inch IPS display is bright and vibrant, with options to adjust the aspect ratio and add scan lines for that authentic retro feel. However, it's worth noting that there's no brightness control, which might be a downside for some players.
Now, let's talk battery life. The Super Pocket promises around 3 to 4 hours of gameplay on a single charge, which is decent but falls short compared to some other handhelds on the market. Still, it's enough to get you through a few gaming sessions on the go.
So, should you buy the Super Pocket? If you're a fan of classic arcade games and want an affordable way to enjoy them on the go, then absolutely. With its solid build, expansive game library, and affordable price tag, it's a no-brainer for retro gaming enthusiasts.
And that wraps up our review of the Super Pocket handheld gaming console. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and tech content.
Until next time, happy gaming!